In this video, I'll show you how to block someone on TikTok. If you find this guide helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Let's get started. First, you need to find the person you want to block. You can either come across their profile on your For You page or search for them directly. To search, go to the TikTok homepage, tap the magnifying glass icon in the top right corner, and type in their username. In this example, I'm going to block someone I've already found. So I'll tap on their username in the bottom left corner of the video to open their profile. Once you're on their profile page, tap the share arrow in the top right corner. A menu will appear, and in the bottom row of options, you'll see Block. Tap on it. A message will pop up saying that blocking this user will prevent them from sending you messages, seeing your posts, or finding your profile. If you're sure, tap Block again to confirm. You'll then see a confirmation message that says the user has been blocked. If you ever want to see their content again, you'll need to unblock them. And that's it. You've successfully blocked someone on TikTok. Now you can continue using the app without worrying about that person seeing your content.